Hi everyone, this is Arissa. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about the Moment Cinebloom Diffusion Filters. So diffusion filters like the Cinebloom do two things. One is they give a very nice soft halation around the light sources. So instead of a very sharp light source, like the edges of a bulb or something, you will see a very soft diffuse light. Another thing is they also blur out the pores on your skin, so you see a nice softer, smoother skin if that's what you're after. So these filters come in a variety of filter thread sizes in two strengths, 10% and 20%. I went straight for the 20% because you know, if you're going to have a stylized dreamy effect, why not just crank it up, right? So this is how it looks. You can see from the lights behind me, the RGB over here, you can tell that, you know, that's a bit softer, and over here the reflection from one of the lights is also softer, so that's really nice. And also overall you can see that my skin appears poreless as well, so this is, I guess, kind of good for beauty vloggers. I wouldn't say that a diffusion filter is a must-have in your toolkit, because if you're shooting videos or photos and you're after that cinematic look, a variable ND filter would be a much better choice to have. Like if you were only to have budget for one filter, then make it a variable ND. But say if you have the extra budget and you're after this type of effect, you want to look better, you want your skin to look better in shots, then, you know, just go ahead and get the Cinebloom filters. There are a number of other diffusion filters out there. You have the Tip and Pro Mist, you have the Peter McKinnon Variable ND Filter Mist Edition. Price-wise, I do feel that the Cinebloom filters are a lot more competitive. They were released back in October and have been sold out. The latest batch will only be available end of January, so hopefully by the time this video comes out, you'll be able to get your hands on some very soon. So there are, of course, different photography hacks out there that lets you replicate this diffused, dreamy look, like using cling wrap or using Vaseline, applying a small amount of Vaseline on a UV filter. But my issue with that is two things. One is it's really messy, and the results are not as easily replicable. Having a diffusion filter is a reliable way of getting the same results for every shoot. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any thoughts on the Cinebloom Diffusion Filter, please leave me a comment below. Like, subscribe and all that jazz, but do not hit the bell button because we do not need any more notifications in our life. Stay safe, and I hope you have a great day.